Did you know there's 8 planets in the solar system? That is Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Did you know there's also 5 dwarf planets? There's Sirius, Haumea, Makemake, Aries, and Pluto. About planets. Or how about the size comparison of them? They're Mercury, Mars, Venus, Earth, Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter. There's maybe one star left. It's the Sun. In 2004, Pluto was the one of the planets. And also in 2005, it was a planet again. And 2006, it was a dwarf planet. Did you know who discovered Saturn's rings? That's Galileo. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned from me.